In this video, we're diving into the difference between the classic Newton-Raphson method and arc-length continuation when solving nonlinear systems. While Newton-Raphson is fast and efficient near well-behaved solutions, it breaks down near a limit point, where the solution curve folds back on itself. At that critical moment, the Jacobian matrix becomes nearly singular, causing Newton's updates to shoot off in the wrong direction or stall entirely. That's where arc-length continuation shines. It reparameterizes the problem to follow the curve itself, not just the load or displacement, allowing us to trace the full path, even through folds and turning points.